Hello everybody on YouTube. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you everybody who's subscribed so far. Well, I thought I'd just do this little video. I finally took the plunge and bought myself one of these Chinese diesel eaters to fit in my Volkswagen T5. But a little heads up, just before you go in and buying one of these, somebody wants some more extra money off you. Customs charge. I know some folks are getting away with it and not getting charged, but typical me, I get done. You're just wanting to know what this price is, aren't you? You're intrigued, aren't you? I'll just tease a bit. Go on. I'll let you have a couple of seconds, have a guess. How much? Is that enough teasing for you? Okay. There you go. Can you see it? $27.89 on top of, I think, 140 I paid for it. I think so. Well, yes, so there you go. Just before you buy, you might get lugged with that. A customs charge on top of it. Anyway, off the bad points. Yeah, I've gone for the 3 kilowatt. A lot of people are buying the 5, but it's I don't think so. I just went for 3, and I bench test this already, and does it kick some heat out? Right, there you go, 12 volt. Nothing else. That's the dreaded customs. There you go, 3 kilowatt. I think it's sufficient enough for a T5, a 3 kilowatt. People are putting 5s. I think the 2s are not that common, but I think it's even a 2 would do it. But, yeah. Other thing is, I don't know what to run mine on and where to put the tank. I'm thinking about buying a smaller tank and not tapping into the fuel pipe itself to the diesel tank itself in the van. So I think I'm going to shop around, buy myself a little tank and put it on the bonnet. That's my thought so far. I'm going to have a look. If you've got anybody out there who's probably watching this and can give me a few heads up of what they've done, additional tanks, because the bigger tanks, what you get with these, they're massive. I just don't want to be, I think it's something like 10 litres, that big tank inside van. I just thought, the thought of in a crash, I mean, because I'll be having kids in van, and the thought of in case of a crash, and next thing 10 litres of diesel sloshing about inside van, fumes. I don't know if you get fumes off them, but this is my thought. I'm thinking of putting a smaller one, a smaller tank. I'm trying to look around on eBay for smaller tanks. Stay tuned. This is what I'm going to be fitting. Volkswagen T5, and I'm going to buy an additional tank, not the big one what come with these. Just thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be doing another video on the tank what I bought, and also I'm going to buy some additional things before I install this. So thanks again for everybody who's subscribed and watching. Stay tuned for more details on this install. Thanks again. Goodbye.